Prior to using Streamline with the Fresenius 2008 series machine, users must ensure FMC 2008 modules are placed as per Streamline instructions for use. Verify the blood pump is configured for 8 mm internal diameter pump segments. Ensure the machine's level detector has been calibrated to the Streamline venous chamber. Ensure the machine has been set up with the correct prime amount based on the dialyzer's instructions for use. Verify the Streamline dialyzer holder is placed on the upper venous bloodline tubing clip. Now we'll demonstrate setup of Streamline. The priming of the blood circuit. Begin by hanging the saline bag on the machine's IV pull hook. Place dialyzer in the Streamline dialyzer holder venous end up. Remove Streamline from its packaging. We will string the arterial line first, so set aside the venous line and priming set for now. Place arterial patient connector in the tubing clip of the drain bucket. Be sure the end does not come into contact with any surfaces in the bucket. Place clamp on the arterial patient line near dialyzer connector, then place in tubing clip on machine. Remove tape from arterial line and place arterial pod portion of pump segment in the inlet pump segment clip with arterial pod dome facing outward. Please note, with Streamline long, the priming set is pre-attached. Close the heparin line clamp. Close small blue clamp on the venous pod monitor line. Close small blue clamp on the venous chamber level adjust medication line. Place venous chamber in the level detector and place the venous patient end in the drain bucket tubing clip. Again, do not allow the end to come in contact with any surfaces in the drain bucket. Attach the venous dialyzer connector to the venous end of the dialyzer using the blue grip on the dialyzer connector. Do not grip the venous pod itself when twisting venous dialyzer connector. Remove coiling tape from priming set. Remove cap from male lower end and attach to arterial tubing lock site. Using aseptic technique, insert the priming set spike into the saline bag using back and forth twisting motion until fully inserted up to the disc. Gravity prime the entire arterial line, holding the arterial dialyzer connector vertically. This helps to ensure all air is removed from the line. After tubing is fully primed, close the large red clamp. Ensure all air is removed from pump segment and close white small clamp of priming set. Thread the pump tubing through the pump and attach the red dialyzer connector to the arterial end of the dialyzer. Set the pump speed as per dialyzer instructions for dialyzer prime and press prime. Open the white small clamp on the priming set and start the pump. If the patient receives maintenance heparin, prime the heparin line and clamp. When prime is complete, the pump will automatically stop. Close the large blue clamp on the venous line. Remove lines from the drain bucket. Open the arterial patient connector cap, discard the venous patient connector cap, and attach the venous patient connector to the arterial patient connector for recirculation. Open large red and blue clamps. Fill venous chamber, removing all air. Set recirculation pump rate based on your facility's policies and start the blood pump.
Reset level detector alarm.
Place venous line in line sensor and line clamp. Begin machine test. Machine test passes, stop blood pump. When conductivity is at prescribed level, remove the dialyzer from its holder with dialysate ports pointing upwards. Holding the dialyzer with one hand, remove arterial dialyzer port cap and attach the arterial Hansen dialysate hose to the arterial end of the dialyzer. Holding the dialyzer with one hand, remove the venous dialyzer port cap and attach the venous Hansen dialysate hose to the venous end of the dialyzer. Holding the dialyzer with the arterial end up, reset all machine alarms and observe filling the dialyzer compartment, expelling all air by tapping the dialyzer. Place in dialyzer holder after filling venous end up. Connect pod monitor lines to the pressure ports and open the venous monitor line clamp. Restart blood pump and continue recirculation until you're ready to start treatment in accordance with your facility's